Good morning. It is just before 5 a.m. on Tuesday, and we're heading out to Sydney Mines Cape Breton Island from Halifax, and we're doing a flood protection installation out there for a customer. And yeah, if everything goes well, we should be at work by about 10 and out of there by, I'd say, about 2:30, 3 o'clock. So, wish us good luck today, guys.
This is the proposed location for the sump pump. The customer noticed that most of the water after the basement flood pooled underneath the stairs. We're also going to combine the sump with about 25 feet of interior drainage trenching along this problematic wall. You can see the water table is just below the floor here. After fighting the water for about an hour or so using a transfer pump, we're making good progress in the sump hole. You can see how bad the water table is in this house, and how easy it would be for it to flood. After about a day or so, our sump pump will overcome this water table and keep it safely below the floor. About 4 hours later, we're finished up this project. We got the concrete poured, the foundation wrap installed, and the sump pump operating. We got the primary and the battery backup sump pump safely stowed below the stairs. That way the homeowner can finish the basement again. The homeowner's plan is to have an excavator in to bury the discharge pipe all the way to the ditch at the back of the property. But for now, this is a good solution. After a long, hard day of work, the boys are exhausted and slept most of the way home. We did make it home for supper though, so today was a total success.